Hi, welcome back to Science 1206, the Chemical Reactions Unit. I'm Ms. Ludwell, and in this video we'll talk about careers in chemistry. Let's begin. While it's clear that a chemistry background is necessary for teaching chemistry or developing chemical products, a knowledge of chemistry is essential in many different careers, from healthcare, where it aids in developing new treatments, to environmental science, where it helps solve ecological issues. Chemistry is at work. Chemistry teaches skills such as innovation and problem solving. These skills are instrumental in designing new materials and technologies that improve daily life and address global challenges. The study of chemistry hones problem solving and critical thinking skills, which are valuable skills not just in science, but in many fields, such as law, finance, and technology. Some examples of chemistry-related careers include traditional chemist roles. Chemists work in various capacities, such as environmental scientists, chemical oceanographers, and chemical engineers. Healthcare and medicine are also examples of chemistry-related careers. From developing new medications to understanding bodily processes, chemistry is vital in the healthcare industry. Pharmacists and anesthesiologists are two examples of healthcare providers who use chemistry in their jobs every day. Food and agriculture is another area where understanding chemistry is important. Understanding chemical processes is essential in food safety, nutrition, and developing agricultural technologies. Chemistry also plays an important role in forensic science and forensic analysis, helping to solve crime scenes by analyzing evidence. Let's take a more in-depth look at the role of chemistry in a pharmacist's career. A pharmacist is an individual who works in the field of pharmacology, which is the branch of medicine which is concerned with drug properties, effects, and therapeutic uses. In England and Australia, the professionals we refer to as pharmacists are called chemists, an acknowledgement of their extensive knowledge of chemicals and their interactions within the body. Whether referred to as pharmacists or chemists, these professionals ensure the safe and effective use of pharmaceuticals daily by determining the proper dose for patients, advising about possible drug interactions, and safe medication storage. Knowledge of chemistry plays a vital role in pharmacy. Now let's look at the role of chemistry in engineering and the oil and gas industry. Chemical engineers in the oil and gas industry focus on oil refining methods, developing new and more efficient processes. They are also essential in designing and constructing new equipment, products, and facilities. Through their knowledge of chemistry, chemical engineers work to minimize the environmental impacts of processes and products in the oil and gas industry. Now we'll look at forensic chemists. Forensic chemists preserve and analyze physical evidence and samples during a criminal investigation. Forensic chemists often encounter unknown materials at a crime scene, which requires comprehensive analysis using various methods and instruments such as UV, infrared, gas chromatography, and X-ray spectroscopy. Forensic chemistry is used in many different ways to investigate a crime scene. Some examples of areas where forensic chemistry is used are during fire investigations to determine if accelerants were used, identifying unknown substances at crime scenes, and in providing toxicology reports of suspects or victims. Results from forensic analysis contribute to police investigations and are important in court trials. Forensic chemists may present their findings in court, simplifying complex scientific evidence in an easy-to-understand way for jury members. Next, let's look at anesthesiologists. An anesthesiologist is a doctor who specializes in anesthesia care, pain management, and critical care before, during, and after surgeries or other invasive procedures. A vital part of an anesthesiologist's expertise lies in their knowledge of how various anesthetic agents interact with the body at a chemical level to prevent pain. Utilizing a range of drugs known as anesthetics, anesthesiologists carefully balance the dose to ensure a pain-free experience during medical interventions. Chemistry also plays a role in the jobs of people working in the agricultural and food chemist fields. Food chemists analyze the components of food, such as proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, to understand their role in our diet. They may also develop new ingredients such as sugar replacements. Understanding chemical processes is essential to understanding food quality, food safety, and nutrition. Agriculture chemists develop new chemicals to enhance crop resilience and productivity and to manage pests. Now it's time to review. Complete the portfolio activities on careers in chemistry found in Brightspace.